Experiment number 11. Design and testing of single acting cylinder using pneumatic circuit. Here, to construct a pneumatic circuit to activate the single acting cylinder using 4x2 direction control valves. So we need some apparatus. So first one, air compressor with reservoir. Then FRL unit, so filter, regulator and lubricator. Okay. Then so 3x2 direction control valve. Okay, DCV. Then single acting cylinder. Finally, it's a single acting cylinder. Okay. So totally we need 4 apparatus. Compressor connected to the air reservoir. So air reservoir connected to the filter regulator lubricated unit. Then FRL unit is connected to the 3x2 direction control valves. Then 3x2 direction control valve is connected to the single acting cylinder. Compressor, which is used to increase the air pressure. So compressor pressure air stored in the air reservoir. So air reservoir stored compressed air. Then pressurized air goes to the FRL units. So FRL means filter, regulator and lubricator. So filter means it is used to filterize the unwanted dust particles, etc. So regulator, which is used to indicate the air pressure. Purpose of lubricator, basically the atmosphere air have some moisture. Okay, so moisture air flow ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா ஸோ கரோஷன் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்து வரும் இந்த ஃபியூச்சரில். ஸோ அதை அவாய்ட் பண்ணுறதா என்ன பண்ணுறோம், ஸோ வி ஆர் யூஸிங் லூப்ரிகேட்டர் யூனிட். ஓகே, ஸோ அதில் லூப்ரிகேட்டர்ஸ் வந்து ட்ராப் பை ட்ராப்பாக என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா ஏர் ஃப்ளோ ஆகிற அந்த வேல மிக்ஸ் ஆகும். தென் ஸோ கம்ப்ரஸ்டு ஏர் கோஸ் டு தி 3x2 direction control valves. Okay, so 3x2 direction control valve means so it has 3-way 2 position. Okay, so each position having 3-way. Then exit of the 3x2 DC valve is connected to the single acting pneumatic cylinder. So when we applying the push button to the DCV valve, that time the air is enter to the cylinder. That time the cylinder will extension. So on the situations la cylinder will extension. Okay, then when we release the push button, okay, automatically the direction control valve is returned to the spring force. Then so position will change. Then the single acting cylinder la automatically having spring. Okay, adiliyum spring irukku. So on the spring and automatically so try to push the piston. Okay, in retraction position. Okay, the air goes to the atmosphere through air exhaust way. Filter, so filterize the unwanted particles in the air. Regulator to measure the air flow. Then lubricator, so mix the oil with the air. Purpose of lubrication, okay, this is the direction control, this is the single acting cylinder, this is the compressor. Okay, the compressed air is stored in the reservoir. When push button is on, the cylinder will extend. Okay, then when release the push button, so automatically is returned to the retraction position.